Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Root and Jeff made a request in the comments for S&P Global. Thank you Root and Jeff for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $119 billion, S&P Global is a S&P 500 company within the financial data and stock exchanges industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth 7.9%. Earnings growth 9.5%. Earnings estimates 10.5%. Return on capital 46.46%. Debt to free cash flow 1.32 years. Share buybacks no. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield 0.98%. Payout ratio 23.33%. Growth rate 21.74%. Growth years 16 years. That gives S&P Global 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, S&P Global is modestly undervalued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 10.4%, compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on S&P Global in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.